Hi everyone, Jim Byrne here with a quick tip for Autodesk Assistant in Fusion. Colors can help you to differentiate same-size features or components in your assemblies. Let Autodesk Assistant find them and update the appearance for you. Let it choose a color palette or suggest one that you would like to use. You could do the same with the bodies in your browser. Add intelligent names to them with a single prompt. Specify the naming convention that works best for you. Here, we'll use the size of the square tubing to drive the body name. Make it even easier to manage these items in the browser. Create subcomponents in your design that house those bodies. Autodesk Assistant empowers you to take multi-step tasks and get them done quickly. Examples like this one may differ from your processes, but we hope that these tips will encourage you to experiment with ideas of your own. The goal is to reduce the time it takes to perform common tasks, so you can focus on more important work and get your designs to manufacturing faster.